So I am going to show you today how I made this really cool lion mask painting. So you'll need some supplies that you're going to get ready. Of course, paint supplies, crayons would work. I'm going to use something called oil crayons or oil pastels because they really resist the water in the paint really well. So what I'm going to do first is I need to sort of organize how I'm going to plan out this lion's face. So I am going to take my paper here and I'm going to fold it in half, and you could actually, I'm going vertically, you could go horizontal or vertical, so that's up to you. You're just trying to find the middle of your paper. Okay, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna put his nose on there, and you're gonna use that as your anchoring and measuring point for other stuff. So if you look at mine, so I started with his nose and then I added lines and shapes around it to build up the face. So obviously his nose is not gonna go somewhere at the top. It's gonna go maybe close to the middle and maybe a little bit just lower than that. So I could do something like an oval, a triangle. So I'm gonna do a line that sort of cuts across that crease. So half the line's here, half the line's here. Then I'm gonna go this way. So this makes a shape that looks the same on both sides when I divide it in half, and that means it is symmetrical. It has something called a line of symmetry. So I'm gonna use this shape to actually build some of my other details. So I'm gonna go up to show the sides of the lion's nose, and then I'm gonna go this way to show his eyes, and I can put some shapes underneath there. So I'm gonna do a shape for his eyes here. This guy, he's looking a little more mean than the other one I did. And then I could go ahead and put some details in there. Now I've got a plan for how I'm gonna organize my colors and plan them out when I do the painting. So I'm just using black, which is a neutral color for right now. So from here, I'm going to draw a round shape to start his mouth, a round shape over here to start his mouth. I'm going to try to make it symmetrical, make it match the other one. And then I can do something under here for like the bottom part of his mouth or his chin. And he's going to be furry, so I'm going to do sort of a jagged line for that. So you're going to get to this point. When you get to this point, I'll show you how to add some other details and complete the shape of his head.